Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects with the dies from the November 2023 release. I will have my previous two videos from this release linked down below. These are projects made with dies that I haven't used yet, so I'm very excited to share them with you. I will have my referral link down below. If you click on that and make a purchase, then I do get a commission. That does not affect your costs, but it does help me out, and I really appreciate when you guys use that. I'll also have my coupon code, which is strawberry cream, and if you use that at checkout, you'll get 10% off. But if you shop during Erica's Black Friday sale, which is on Friday and Saturday of this week, Black Friday and Small Business Saturday, you'll get 20% off of your order of $25 or more. So use that instead of strawberry cream if you're shopping Saturday or Friday and Saturday. And I'll leave that code down below too. It's BLKFRI20. All right, so let's get started. The first projects I have to share with you, they're kind of all related. They are the Christmas words sets. And there's a bundle, Christmas words bundle, which you'll get all three sets of words, and you get a discount for that. Or you could get the individual word bundles. There's three of those. You can't use that coupon code, the Black Friday one, on bundles, but you could use them on separate ones. And it does work out to be a little bit less expensive if you buy them individually and use the coupon code. So that's just for, Friday and Saturday. So anyway, let me show you the words. This is the Christmas Words Bundle 1, and I'll show you the words in a second. This is just what the dies look like. This one is Words Bundle number 2, and then there's Words Bundle number 3. And I just wanted to show you the actual dies and shadows that you get, but it's easier to see on the examples. So this is Christmas Words Bundle number 1, and these are the words that you get. There's Rudolph, Angel, Carols, Jolly, Mistletoe, and Tinsel. And you can see that I cut them out on I cut them out using white glitter paper for the words and then some textured aqua paper for the shadows. So easy to put together since they're a pretty cursive font. Most of the pieces are all connected. The only ones that aren't are like the dot on the I for mistletoe. The M is also separate. Same thing for tinsel, but everything else is all connected, so it goes together super quickly. Love this font. Let me measure the longest one for you just to give you an idea of how big they are. This one, mistletoe, is 2 3/4 inches long. And then top to bottom, they're a nice size. They're about 3/4 of an inch, so perfect for cards, tags, whatever. And these are a nice variety of words. So I like that one. And then bundle number 2 is this one. And I use that same white glitter paper to cut out the words themselves and then some pink texture paper for the background. So this one comes with the words sleigh bells. They're separate, so you can use them separate or together. Hot cocoa, chimney, holly, chestnuts, and traditions. So another fun set. I really love the hot cocoa one, and sleigh bells I think is really cute. So you can, if you get both of these sets, you can combine the holly and the jolly if you want to do that. I did that in a project that I showed in a previous video. So yeah, again, same size of the words and same font, so they're definitely mix and matchable. So that's set number 2. And the final set, number 3, is this one. And I used red, like a striped paper for the background, same white glitter paper. This one comes with candles, cards, candy, so 3 C words, actually another one too. December, peppermints, Santa, and Claus. That's the other one. So Santa Claus, of course. I love the peppermints one. I love to make candy projects, so that one comes in handy, and of course candy too. So lots of different words here. Of course, they all go together, with the other ones as well. But, pick the ones you like the best or get the whole bundle. And don't forget those coupon codes too to save even some more money. So those are the 3 word bundles. Let me show you my final project. All right. The next project is using the 3D mini claw machine set. And this is such a great little set. I was a little intimidated when I first saw it because there are a lot of dies. This is what it comes with, all of these dies. But they go together really simply. There's a tutorial on the product page, which I did follow for a part of it, which was super helpful. Each piece you basically cut out once, so it's really easy. That way you don't have to remember, 6 of these or 2 of those. So yeah, the tutorial is super easy to follow. So it comes with all of these dies to make a really cute little claw machine, which is really like a gift box. And I'll show you mine in a second, but it also comes with some sentiments. It comes with candy, winner with an exclamation point. I didn't use these, but they are there. There's also good luck with the exclamation point as well. Of course, you can use that in other projects like a good luck card or something. And yeah, all of these are pieces to construct the claw machine and or layering pieces to decorate it at the end. There's the claw, and they show you in the tutorial how to use this and this to create a little claw on the top. It doesn't actually work, it's just for decoration. These are like little top or pieces that you can add to the top of the claw machine. I didn't use those, but there are really cute examples on the product page to show you people who have. And there's also decorations like this little bar, which cuts out hearts. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, let me show you the project I made, and we'll go from there. So this is the claw machine that I made. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love this. And it's, like a fun gift box. Like I said, it's really easy to put together. The examples have them in different themes. I used the gingerbread kisses and candy cane lane papers from Doodlebug for mine. I just wanted it to be super cute. And of course, those paper collections are adorable. The pieces cut out windows on the sides, so you could either put, paper in there or acetate like I did so you could see inside. The side pieces, I used the striped paper so it would look like there were like stripes on the sides. I constructed it with some heavyweight AC cardstock in pink, and then I used the Doodlebug papers as layering pieces. For the claw machine, kind of like a joystick thing, I stuck together 2 candy cane stickers like that because there was one going one way and one going the other. And I just glued it onto the base of my claw machine so it looks like that's a controller. I thought that was super fun. And then I used some enamel stickers to be the controls. The die set does come with the little quarters or coins dies, and I just cut out a couple of like 25-cent ones. If you could see it embossed 25 cents, and I used some like matte silver paper for that. And the top, it does come with this embellishment piece here, and then I added some enamel dots and a couple of tags too, just to dress it up. I thought it looked like a present there. Here is that heart decoration piece that I showed you, and I did some paper piecing. I cut it out a few times and then went back and glued the hearts in. And for the feet of it, I have these pieces that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. They're from the woodpile section, and they're little candle cup wood pieces with a 1/4-inch hole. They were on clearance for 49 cents. So I just took 4 of those and I painted them with some also clearance paint. This is from Target. This is satin acrylic paint, and the color is Robin's Egg. So that was super quick, and I just hot glued them onto the bottom. You don't have to add feet. I just thought it was a fun little touch. So it does construct a lid, which is easy to put together. And there's the claw on the top, and I cut that out of that same like matte silver paper, and there's where it hangs from at the top. And I did fill mine up with stuff, so it's kind of hard to see when you have it closed, but it is in there. And if you didn't fill it up as much, you would be able to see it a little more. So that's the top of it, really nice solid top. On the inside, I put some like cellophane shred that is just getting everywhere. And these are little felties that I got quite a while ago from a shop on Etsy. I'll link them down below in case you're interested because they're so cute. It's called todopapel.com. And like I said, they're on Etsy. So I put a bunch of those in there. And then I put a few like rubber ducks too. I thought they'd be fun, like claw machine kind of prizes. And it's deep. It goes down pretty far too. So, you know, all the way down to the bottom. So you could fit some really, you know, a lot of good treats and goodies and stuff in there. So that's that side. That's the back. I just put a cutout on the back that says Sending Holiday Cheer. And then this side has a window as well, another cute little felty. I made the sides identical with the different papers. And then the front, I added, you know, other papers as well. I added some more puppy stickers on the corners of the window just to make it a little more decorative. I added a little tag on the front, and then these puppy stickers too from the Doodlebug collections. So really cute project. Let me measure this for you. I think this would make great Christmas gift packaging. This, without the feet, measures about 4 3/4 inches from top to bottom. Side to side, it is about almost 3.5 inches. And then depth-wise, the deepest part is almost 4 inches. So, you know, really cute, super good size for, you know, adding lots of gifts. This would be fun to, you know, use as part of your Christmas decorations too, I think. You know, it might be hard to make one for everybody, but if you just have to make a few of them, you could easily do it like assembly line style. So yeah, I love this. I think it's adorable. Again, check out the product page and you'll be able to see all the different examples. Again, there are words that come with it that I didn't use, but feel free to do that. Lots of other ways you can construct it. There are these embellishment pieces I didn't use either, but I did see some examples. When you cut these out, you could just like put them on the acetate itself as decoration, or, you know, anywhere on the box. So use your imagination. It is easy to do, you guys. Like I said, I was intimidated when I first saw it, but you know, it actually turned out to be quite fun to make. So those are my projects for today. I hope you like everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. My referral link will be down below, as well as my standard coupon code you could use anytime, which is Strawberry Cream, for 10% off. Also for this Friday and Saturday, if you want to use instead the BLKFRI20 code, and you will get 20% off, which is an awesome sale for Scrap Diva Designs. So go ahead and support your small businesses. I will be back soon with more crafty goodies. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and have a wonderful day. Take care, guys. Bye.